I got a comment on a video that I did regarding Garcinia Cambogia causing liver failure and liver problems in some individuals, and the person was suggesting that I reach out to the FDA and they could take some action on this. So I would point out that the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, is indeed aware of the reports of liver failure and liver problems associated with the use of Garcinia Cambogia. They're seeing the same reports that I have over the years. So what I think the problem here is that because Garcinia Cambogia is a natural product, it's found in nature, it's a fruit, that it can't really be completely regulated by the Food and Drug Administration. That doesn't necessarily mean they won't take action, because in the past this actually has happened. Back in 2004, the FDA banned ephedra, which again was a very popular weight loss product. For about 10 years it was taken off the market because of several people who've died from taking ephedra. So far that has not happened with Garcinia Cambogia, and I'm not quite sure why they haven't done something like that, because there have been, again, a lot of reports linking this herbal weight loss product to the development of liver problems and liver failure. Not in everybody, and that's one of the mysteries here. We're not quite sure why some people have issues and some people don't appear to have issues. Now, I also don't understand why the dietary supplement industry themselves don't unilaterally take action on this issue and prevent it from being used in supplements, or at least call out companies that are using this, because I don't think it works. The research basically shows Garcinia Cambogia is not an effective weight loss supplement, and the idea that it might cause liver problems in some people is extremely scary, and I honestly think that it should be removed from the market. But I get why the FDA really can't do a lot on this.